Welcome to the demonstration of BuildCert, a blockchain-based work and payment certification framework for construction projects. This is a PhD research project at the Centre for Smart Modern Construction, Western Sydney University, Australia. The framework is designed to enhance trust and traceability in evaluating the quality and quantity of completed work and associated payment certification, thereby ensuring compliance in the built environment. All authorized users can log into the system with their username and password. User roles include client, contractor, project manager, quantity surveyor, architect, and engineer. The All Projects page will display projects the user has access to. When a user clicks on View Project, they will see the project homepage with a timeline of recent activity and all data that they are authorized to view. For example, a contractor can view recent progress claims, quality certificates, payment certificates, tax invoices, and payment approvals of the project they are working on. A contractor can submit a progress claim by clicking on Create under the Progress Claims menu. They should select the claim file to be uploaded and click the Autofill button. The data in the file will be extracted by the system and the fields will be filled in automatically. All files uploaded to the system will be saved in a secure file server, and the location and cryptographic hash of the file will be saved to the blockchain. If the file is edited outside of the system, then the hash of the file will not match the stored hash, notifying the users that the file has been tampered with. The blockchain transaction log is shown at the bottom of the screen. The details of a progress claim can be viewed on the progress claim dashboard, along with a summary of all the data related to the progress claim. The dashboard also displays a timeline of activities related to the progress claim. When a transaction is submitted, the border of the relevant box in the timeline turns green and displays data along with the transaction date. The contractor can edit the progress claim data if necessary. The edit history of the records can be viewed as separate transactions in the blockchain. Once a contractor adds a progress claim to the system, the quantity surveyor can view the claim details. The required quality certificates should be listed as prerequisites for the progress claim. For example, this progress claim requires quality certificates by the architect and structural engineer. When the prerequisites are added, the status of the progress claim is changed to pending. Quality certifiers can only see the quality certificates related to the project. A notification will be displayed when a new certification request is added. The certifier can create a new quality certificate and upload a file with details of inspections and tests, and a file with details of defects if available. The contractor, project manager, and quantity surveyor will be notified of the new quality certification. When the quality certificates are uploaded, the prerequisites will be marked as completed. The quantity surveyor creates a progress payment recommendation which goes to the project manager, who issues the progress payment certificate. When the certificate file is uploaded and the autofill button clicked, the data in the file is extracted and filled in by the system. The progress payment certificate is issued to the contractor when the Create button is clicked. The contractor will issue a tax invoice which will go to the client for approval. The client can view the tax invoice and click on the Approval button. The amount can be modified by the client if necessary. This prototype simulates automated payments via cryptocurrency tokens equivalent to fiat currency. The tokens are transferred from the client's wallet to the contractor upon payment approval. The contractor can view all payments received in their wallet and the details of individual transactions. The details of all the information related to the progress claim will be displayed to all authorized users. All updates will be reflected on the project homepage as well. Stay tuned for updates on this project and more blockchain research on the Centre for Smart Modern Construction website. Thank you.